Every day, the Bureau of Engraving and Printing produces currency worth millions. This facility remains on high alert 24 hours a day.
Access granted.
Project the Fortress. This is how the US dollar is born. To maintain the integrity of the currency, the Bureau of Engraving and Printing operates under a zero-tolerance policy. This is the fortress. To understand the dollar, you must first understand the fortress that protects it. An impenetrable vault.
Zero paper leaves this building.
In this highly secure environment, the raw material undergoes microscopic analysis to verify the precise blend of cotton and linen fibers.
Secure Channel 1. Confirm pouring sequence initiated.
Sequence confirmed. Monitor Delta 9 particles.
The fortress maintains absolute control over the master die. This is where the dollar is truly born. Welcome to the Bureau of Engraving and Printing. This is the fortress where the US dollar is born.
This is Press 03. The fortress maintains zero tolerance for error as the plates are secured.
Here, the high-speed letterpress applies the Federal Reserve seal and the unique green serial numbers, completing the currency.
Zero tolerance is the standard. Every sheet is scrutinized. Any deviation is immediately neutralized. Zero tolerance is the standard. Every note undergoes meticulous scrutiny for 32 distinct security features.
Every note accounted for, every bundle sealed under strict Treasury supervision. This facility operates with zero tolerance for error.
Deep within the Bureau of Engraving and Printing's fortress, the freshly printed notes are secured.
The fortress, how the US dollar is born.
Deep within the fortress, building and fake freshly printed series notes are moved into secured storage. Precision.
The ultraviolet spectrum reveals the embedded polymer thread, fluorescing bright pink with the designation USA 100. The United States of America. Visible only under high magnification, these intricate details protect the currency inside the fortress. Embedded within the very fiber of the note is the translucent image of Benjamin Franklin, a critical security feature.
Serial sequence verified. Currency cleared.
(8 degrees Celsius). The integrity of the classified ink formula relies on absolute precision.
Project, the Fortress. How the US dollar is born. The Fortress. How the US dollar is born. The banding line processes $10,000 stacks at speeds exceeding human capability. Precision is absolute. The Fortress. How the US dollar is born. Welcome to the Fortress. This is where the US dollar is born, secured by robotic precision and armed guards.
This is the final stage before circulation. Security protocols here are absolute. Zero tolerance for discrepancies.
8 armored trucks, 6 escort vehicles. There is zero tolerance for compromise.
Once the currency leaves the press floor, it enters the Fortress, the most secure vault in the Federal Reserve System.
The intaglio process gives U.S. currency its distinctive, raised texture.
The embedded security thread is tested at 4.5 newtons. Any deformation over 0.02 of a millimeter results in immediate rejection.
As the note passes the magnetic field detector, specific ink areas trigger an exact microtesla reading. The automated system verifies the integrity of the color-shifting ink, a key defense against forgery. The integrity of the currency is non-negotiable. This facility ensures zero tolerance for error. This brick, valued at $400,000, is now classified. There is zero tolerance for compromise. Tamper-evident seals are applied. Each serial number is logged in the Treasury database.
This is the Fortress, Once the currency is printed, it is secured in the final vault level, protected by titanium cages and armed guards.
Custody transfer complete. Sector 4 secure.
Every pallet is meticulously tracked. Once loaded, the GPS seal ensures total visibility until it reaches its destination.
The Fortress. How the US dollar is born. This is the Fortress. Once the main vault is sealed, nothing goes in or out without explicit authorization.
The integrity of the United States currency is absolute. There is zero tolerance for deviation.